Okay, so this is a little update on the 240 and its restoration process. So please like and subscribe. Let's get started. So while I was installing this side of the car, I put the fender on first. Had to fight with it quite a bit. I need to take it back off, the fender back off. The pin goes in from the other side, so I need to be two people. So I'll take everything back off, then get someone to help me put the door on and put the fenders back on. Okay, so I managed to get the door on by myself. I had to remove the fender, just put it back on with the door. And it's touching the door. But if I press here, it clears the door. So what I believe is my body kit never managed to fully unfold because it's a KBD body kit and they like to fold it up and throw it in a box, which is fine because it unfolds with heat. But over here, it's winter. And I believe that they say to put it in the sun for like 30 minutes, but here it's never going to be warm enough. Even if I put my heat up, and I don't want to put it too high because it's going to be way too expensive. So I unfolded them using hot water, and I thought they had their complete shape, but obviously they don't. They have like these not completely drilled holes in the fenders. These two align, and this one doesn't. It should be right here. So I believe that's because it didn't completely unfold yet either. See how it's not sitting flush? I don't know how they're supposed to sit though. This is the first time I put some on. First time I use a KBD body kits parts. So I'm gonna need to figure out a way, because this isn't gonna be like, we're in freaking, the winter is far from being over, so it's gonna be like this for a long time. So I need to figure out a way, get away from the door a bit, so that I can still, you know, use the car a bit without destroying my paint. Or maybe I could put it inward a bit more. I don't know. Something looks like it's stopping me. See, I already scuffed up the paint a little there. If only I could press on this there, and then need to put it back down. Anyways, I need to figure out a way, because it's not gonna take its original form anytime soon. Winter is far from being over. But look at this. Come on. Can't say it doesn't look good. My wheels aren't sticking out enough. I need to get new wheels and attach the rear body panel better. I'm just waiting on my dress-up bolts to fully tighten them down. Got dress-up bolts for it. But it's starting to look good. It's starting to look like a car again. So now I'll just close my eyes on this for a bit. For now. And I got a friend coming over who's gonna help me put the other door, just to make sure I don't, it was too risky. I did the other side and it was too risky a bit. So he's gonna come help me put the door on. Then I'm gonna put the other fender on, then the hood. The hood is gonna be way easier with two people. Okay, so now we're gonna address any of the missing trim that is on the passenger side, including the door handle, this side piece, and the door interior. I already got this little piece of trim on. So we're gonna start with the door handle, which is probably the worst part. It's not that fun to put on. Let me get the window up. Using this battery. Because I have no electricity in the car yet. The battery's dead. So I got, this little metal rod thing, and I need to, the key fob on this door handle is broken, I just noticed. And I do have a spare door handle that maybe I can take it off apart, or then it wouldn't be the right key. Yeah, okay, so I guess you won't be able to unlock the door on this side with the key. Doesn't really matter. Driver's side works. And then there's this little plastic thingy in the door. I don't know if the camera can see, but I gotta put it in here. Then I gotta work my way without scratching the paint, putting this door handle inside the car. Okay, that wasn't too bad. I had way more trouble the last time. That was pretty easy. I've been looking everywhere for these. Finally found them. Now, time to install. So I got these two nuts on. We're just gonna test to see if the door handle works. Put the light on. Works fine. So I went ahead and modified, because these things broke, the holes there. So I had these little grommets that I ordered off of Amazon, and I shaved them off so that they fit this part. So now all I gotta do is put it on. Okay, screw right there. Don't tell me I lost that too. I just took it off. Okay, so I most likely lost that screw while I was looking for these nuts. So for the moment, I'm just gonna pretend like that never happened. And I'll probably find the screw in a few hours. I'll just see it. So while I wait for that screw to appear, I'm gonna put the door interior on. In worst case scenario, I'll just get a new. Oh no, I forgot to put the speaker in. Shit. Off. At least not too hard to get going off. Good enough. Put it on. Go back up by itself, or it does super slowly. Nice. 30-year-old car, so probably have a couple issues with it, right? So now all I need to do is figure out. Okay, they both work. That's good to know. I don't know what goes there. I have no clue what goes there and what goes here. I don't remember the beginning. Okay, yes, I do know now. I remember now. This probably a hole somewhere to put this thing in. Camera. Okay. That makes sense, but where does this go in? There's nothing there. Oh, I think I need to take the whole door panel off. Again. And I think the pieces on the other door, that's just right over there. And these are the two pieces that I don't have on the other door. So I need to take everything back apart again, remove these, and then put them on the other door. Okay, so door's all on. Got this handle on, nice and solid. Last part to do. Put this thing on. Okay, so now everything is done except for that screw. I will find it. Okay, so I'm almost done. I got the radiator in. I need to put the air filter on. I'm missing one nut on each side of the strut bar. I need to secure these all down, the intercooler piping. We're soon going to get it running. Okay, so now I need to put the exhaust on my car. And this is the old gasket. And this is the new one. But it is a little too big. So I will proceed to modifying it a bit. Okay, so I got myself some stainless steel hardware. It's time to put the exhaust on the car. So I got the exhaust on. Looks like shit, but I don't really care because I plan on making a new exhaust for the car because this one is too low and it keeps on rubbing on the ground. So I can get the car off of the jack stands. All safety jack stand I have there. Put her back on the ground. There you go. Nice and smooth. Now it's time to put coolant in the radiator. Okay, I got the coolant to the radiator topped off, and it's time for its first start in quite a while now. Get the battery jumper hooked up. Temperature up a little bit. Oh. Something seems a little off. Oh, the strap decided that it didn't feel like living anymore. The belt, I mean. Okay. Guess I need to get a new belt. Okay, so I put a new belt in there. So, take two. Got a couple air bubbles coming out. Put the heater on. check if this leaks. Try not to make it a huge mess. Want to make sure there's no air in the system. Okay, let's pull it all the way up there. I think I should put the cap back on now. Now that I made a huge mess. Everything's looking good. My temp going up. Not quite yet. Standing at 14.6. That's good. Right now, but it's okay. Stabilizing. The temp is still not going up though, not even 1 degree, which I don't believe is normal. Oh, 21. Okay, going up slowly. Okay, so this is the final product. Well, almost. Still got a couple of gaps I need to fix because the KBD fenders don't fit for shit. You know, Willie, it's tucked into the fender there and got a huge gap. Huge door gaps also. So, I don't know what's up with those fenders, but they're just disgusting. Had to fight with them, put them on. Well, not really. The holes are lined up, but they just, look at them. What the frick is even that? And I don't got no mirrors because they are broken, both of them. But yeah, this is pretty much what the final part looks like. I still got these little corner lights I need to put in. That's the only light that had wiring to the car, so all the other ones have no wiring, so I gotta do a little bit of wiring. And then next step, probably in a future video, maybe not. Next step, need to clean out the interior. These seats, either change them or I don't know, they're all sunburnt, and my trunk is blue in there. And might want to switch that up for a green maybe instead of blue, because now I got blue, pink, and the car is green. Come on, green, pink, looks like shit. So anyways, that's it for now. Once again, please like and subscribe. It's going to help out the channel. And also, if this video gets 100 likes, not a lot, come on, 100 likes. 100 likes, I'll go drift in the snow with it. I'll go winter drifting with the 240.